In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 12-column grid in Figma. A 12-column grid is a classic structure for web and product design because it's flexible, easy to divide, and helps you keep spacing consistent across your layout. Let's set one up together so you can design with confidence and speed. First, open Figma and head into your design file. We'll build the grid on a frame, which is Figma's way of defining a canvas or screen. Select the Frame tool from the toolbar, or press F on your keyboard, and you'll see preset options appear in the right sidebar. Choose a desktop preset to match the screen size you're designing for. Picking a preset like a standard desktop size gives you a reliable starting point and ensures your grid scales appropriately with the frame. With the frame selected, you may notice the Auto Layout toggle in the right-hand panel. Go ahead and click that toggle if you want to experiment with Auto Layout later. Just keep in mind that Auto Layout controls how objects inside the frame arrange themselves, while a layout grid gives you visual guides for alignment. They work well together, but the grid setup we're doing doesn't depend on Auto Layout being on. Now, scroll down in the right sidebar until you find the Layout Grid section. This is where we add and configure grids for the selected frame. If you don't see a grid yet, click the plus icon to add one. By default, Figma may add a square grid. We want columns, so open the grid type dropdown and switch it from grid to columns. Columns are perfect for responsive design because they create vertical guides that help you place content in a consistent rhythm. Once columns is selected, look for the count field and type 12. That's it. You've created a 12-column grid. If you like, you can tailor it further. Margins define the space on the left and right edges, while gutter controls the spacing between columns. Adjusting these values can help you match a design system or a specific breakpoint, but the essential setup is simply choosing columns and setting the count to 12. As you start laying out content, snap elements to the column edges to keep alignment clean. You can toggle the grid's visibility from the same panel if you want a clearer view of your design while you work. And remember, this grid lives on the frame, so duplicating the frame will carry the grid with it, keeping your workflow consistent. You now have a clean, professional 12-column grid ready to guide your designs in Figma.